Ever needed to prepare a USB drive for new files or make sure it plays nice with other devices? Let's dive into how to format your USB flash drive on your Mac, a super handy skill for any computer user. First, plug your USB drive directly into your Mac. Then, we're going to find Disk Utility. There are a couple of ways to do this. Either go to Finder, click Go in the menu bar, then Utilities and then select Disk Utility, or use the Spotlight search at the top right of your screen. Just type Disk Utility and click on it. Great, now Disk Utility is open. You will see a window showing your internal drives and any external devices you have connected, including your USB drive. Make absolutely sure you select the correct USB drive from the list on the left. Double check the name and size before moving on. This is crucial to avoid accidentally erasing the wrong drive. With your USB drive selected, look for the Erase button at the top of the window. Go ahead and click it. This will open a new window where we'll choose our formatting options. Here's where you decide on the file system. The Format drop-down menu offers different options for how your USB drive will be formatted. If you intend to use the USB drive with both Mac and Windows computers, you'll probably want to select exFAT as this is the most compatible format. This is very important if you plan to share the USB drive amongst different operating systems. Next, provide a name for your USB drive. This will be the name that shows up on your Mac. Finally, for the scheme, choose Gid Partition Map, which is generally the best option for compatibility. Click the Erase button. Disk Utility will confirm the format. The screen will show the progress. Once it's done, your USB drive is formatted, erased, and ready to go. You may now safely remove the drive. That's all there is to it. Now you can use your formatted USB drive for backing up files or transferring data between computers.